You know what it is, baby. Smooth. Let me change your life. Let me change your. Let me change your. Let me change your life. Ooh. Let me change your. Let me change your. Let me change your life. Ooh. Hey, why are you moving so fast? Where are you going? What do you hope to achieve moving that fast? Are you trying to break a record or something? Are you trying to get a reward? Where does this all end? Moving that fast. You know they say only moving a little bit faster is only moving by seconds faster. So let's say you driving 50 miles and somebody's driving 70 miles per hour. Y'all gonna make it there almost at the same time. They're gonna get there probably a minute or two before you. What makes the difference? Sometimes you gotta slow down. Give it, just relax, man. Take your time. That's why you end up in the same situation. You moving so fast, but you don't know why you moving fast. You just trying to catch up with everybody else. Don't catch everybody else. Catch up with yourself. Help yourself to help others. Help yourself to help others. Stop destroying yourself. Follow, subscribe, like, share. Please leave comments.